if you're watching this video, then you're looking to learn how to get more leads on Facebook, right? Maybe you tried Facebook and it didn't work, and there's a reason for that. You see, there's a proven 5-step system to getting sales and leads working on Facebook. Now, just quickly, you're probably wondering, what the hell's going on? Who is this guy and what's he doing? Well, right now, I'm in Dubai, buggying in the middle of the desert. I'm getting driven around here by my lovely girlfriend, Katie, and we have cracked Facebook advertising. Now, there's 5 steps that you need to follow, and the clear first step is to get attention, which is why we've created this video in a buggy, right? Now, you don't have to do crazy stuff like this. Whoa, we're going to have a big shoot here. So, you need to get attention. Now, you do that with content, because most people have never heard of you. You need to be positioned as the expert. You need to give value up front so people know you, they like you, and they trust your business. So you start with content, then you capture leads. So the people that watch your content, you then give them something away. That could be a guide, it could be they register for a seminar, it could be a discount voucher, it could be that they download your catalogue. Whatever it is, you give something of value away, and in return they give you their data, their email, their name, whatever, as a lead. And that's the process started. Once you've got the lead, you can start the journey of creating the sale platform. Then you need to find the mechanism to turn them into a customer, and we teach you that. We build things called lead machines, right? And those are straightforward systems you can build in an hour in any business that turns them into a customer. Maybe you offer something cheap for sale, maybe you get them to book in a call, maybe you run a webinar, maybe you get to go out for a quote. That's the 3rd step. 4th step is your core offer. 5th step is you continue to sell. Now, if you want to learn more about this stuff, you want to learn more about getting Facebook advertising, then I'm running a free online workshop to do that. So around this video, above it or below, is a link. You click on that link, get yourself registered for the free workshop. I promise I won't be recording that from a buggy. It will be on my laptop, so it'll be a lot easier. You'll be able to hear me a lot more. So do that now, click on that link, and I'll see you on that free workshop.